Hi all, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and do share this video with all of your friends. And today I am back after a while to share out my experience with Tanish that I had recently with the purchase of a daily wear Mangal Sutra. That's what I had purchased this time from Tanishq. I have a Mangal Sutra which is very conventional, and I wanted to purchase something that I can wear on daily basis, and that's what I went there for. I didn't want a Mangal Sutra that's too heavy, and that's the reason I bought a very sleek design which I can wear on daily basis to my office or to any place, whether it's ethnic, whether it's formals or anything, or a casual wear. So it's not very traditional design, but that's what I had purchased this time, and that's what I'm going to share with you all. So I have made this purchase around Akshay Tritiya, which was 10th of May this month, and I had a golden harvest scheme which had matured, and I could make a purchase out of it. So if you are already familiar that I make investments in golden harvest, so with each month I pay similar to an SIP, a fixed amount. So I had a 3000 rupees SIP for golden harvest scheme which I had paid for 10 months, and after 10 months I had a bonus which is 75% of my SIP. So if you want to have the details around golden harvest scheme, all those details, technicalities are available on my channel, and I'll add those details to the description of this video as well. So I had 30,000 as the amount, lump sum amount, and the bonus amount was 75% of 3,000, the first SIP, which was 2250. And during Akshay Tritiya, during Diwali, you get great offers from Tanishq in terms of making charges, and there was one ongoing which also was clubbed in with my golden harvest scheme when I purchased it. So let me show you what I did purchase from Tanishq this time. Okay, so it's a very sleek daily wear Mangal Sutra, if you can see. So it is in rose gold finish, and it has a good quality diamond, and the black motifs are quite less in this, but I wanted something similar, so that's why I went for this one. It gives me a chain like finish, but it is a Mangal Sutra. So if you see that it has black beads and it has a good size diamond onto it, and that's something that I can wear. It is very lightweight, if you can see in the design itself that it's very lightweight, and I can carry it daily, so that's not a trouble to it. And I wanted to go for something very sleek for myself this time. There are a lot of designs available, whether it's diamond Mangal Sutra, whether it's gold Mangal Sutra. So you can go and check at Tanishq and their collection, so you will know what all are the options available. So again, a glimpse of it, a close-up for you all. So this is the pendant part of it, and this is the chain of it. Okay. That's how it looks. It has a locking pattern. To lock it up, I'll just show you. So it's a simple lock. It's not something that can loosen up, so you can simply lock it up. The length you can extend, and that's how it is been made, so that it is quite safe in terms of manual handling. Okay, and I'll cover the bill part of this now with you all. So moving on to the split for this one, this is what I'll cover next. So this is purchased from Tanishq, and the gold rate when I made this purchase was for 24 carat, it was 7300 per gram, and it is an 18 carat item. The product code is product description is this. This is a Mangal Sutra. It is an 18 carat gold Mangal Sutra. The net weight for this product is 4.28 grams, out of which the stone weight is 0.786 grams, and the gold weight is 4 grams and 123 milligrams. The gross product price, which includes the gold rate as well as the diamond rate, is 1,02,000 as per the date of my purchase, which was 4th of May around Akshaya Tritiya. So the making charges on this product was 19,400. The scheme discount, if you see, it's 12,000, so 2,250 is my golden harvest discount, and there was 50% off on making charges during Akshaya Tritiya. So the scheme discount came up to 12,540. So I paid nearly 7,000 or even less than 7,000 in terms of making charges on this product, which was a great deal. If we see the design, so the final amount that I paid after making the adjustments is only 62,000. So after discount, the price was 92,000, and 30,000 was the amount that I had already paid as part of my SIP for Golden Harvest. So the amount that I finally paid is 62,657 for this beautiful piece that I have purchased on Akshaya Tritiya. So they have a new scheme for Golden Harvest, similar to Golden Harvest, which is specific to gold purchases alone. If you want me to add those details as well, please add a comment. I'll add those details in my next video. That's it that I wanted to share with you all. Thanks for watching, and please give some love. See you another day. Bye.